How to see Google Play Store download history. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go and open Google Play here. And then after we open Google Play, up to the right corner, we can see our icon. So we need to click and choose on it. And then now once we click on it, we're going to see some options such as manage apps and device, notifications and offers, payments and subscriptions, and so on. So the bottom or the option that we're going to click here will be the first one, which says manage apps and device. And then once you click here, you're going to see this option. So we can hit this one on the right, which says manage, and we click on it. And here we're going to choose, or we're going to make some filtration by clicking on installed and choose not install. And that's how we can see all the apps that we downloaded or the download history on Google Play. Also, you can click on name and make recently added. Also here, as you can see, some options as well. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.